Today we're making salted caramel cheesecake bars. We're going to start out with 3/4 of a cup of graham cracker crumbs, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 6 tablespoons of butter melted, 16 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of caramel sauce, 1/3 of a cup of sour cream, 3 large eggs at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and for our topping we'll use 1/3 of a cup of the caramel sauce with some sea salt. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we have our graham cracker crumbs. Make sure those are all broken up nice. And we're going to add in our butter. Get all that incorporated and we'll get this into our pan. Make our crust. Going to give our 8x8 baking sheet a light spray. And we're going to add in our graham crackers. All that butter, we're going to bake this off. Okay, we'll get this into the oven. Putting this in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. We're going to use the mixer. Got our cream cheese. Get a half cup of our caramel sauce. Put that in there. And our sugar. And we're going to cream all that together. We're scraping down the sides and we're going to mix this a little bit more. Now we're going to add our sour cream. And we're going to blend in 1 egg at a time. Oh, there goes 2. Now we're going to add in the vanilla and about 1/4 teaspoon of the sea salt. And you don't want to overblend this, you just want to mix it together. Scrape it down one more time to incorporate it all. And then we'll get this into our cold pie crust. There we go. Okay, we have our cold pie crust. We're going to put in our filling. Spread that out. Alright, this is going to a 325-degree oven for about 40-45 minutes. We're going to shut the oven off. We're going to leave it in there with the door open for about 30 minutes. We're using a store-bought caramel sauce, so we're just going to drizzle that on. We have an offset knife, we're just going to get that on there nice. Now we're going to get this into the fridge for about 4 hours. Well, there you have it, my salted caramel cheesecake bars. Enjoy.